Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you want this look, stay tuned. Alright, so I'm gonna get right into it, and I've already did my brows and my eyeshadow off camera. I just wanted to focus on the foundation routine today. I'm using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, and I use about 2 pumps, and I'm going to work this and massage it into my skin, make sure that my skin is prepped and primed. Now we're ready for the foundation, and I'm using DRUGSTORE today. I wanted to make this tutorial as affordable as possible, so I'm about to show you how I'm making myself look bomb with this $5 foundation. And honestly, I was going like on a drugstore foundation journey, and I was trying out like about 10-15 different drugstore foundations, and I came up with the perfect drugstore flawless routine for you all. So just, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be dropping that tutorial for you all, let you know the tea. I did all the hard work for you, so you just watch the video and get the same products I got, and you'll get the flawless finish. But I'm using this E633 brush, just as like a Morphe brush. My first time trying it for you. I know this is a tutorial, but we try new things on this channel together, sis. You tried it with me. So I patted that into my skin, and I went in with this OG. You already know what this is. Or maybe you don't. It's the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. One of the best drugstore concealers. Not the best, though. I got another favorite, but I told y'all to subscribe, so y'all subscribe and y'all gonna get to know all the best drugstore foundation and concealer. Then I went in with the Black Opal foundation to cream contour in the shade Suede Mocha. This is a good shade for me, but I've been using this for so many years. Like, I haven't tried anything else yet. I feel like that's like the last thing that I've still stuck on, because I go in with a bronzer, so I just haven't used anything else. Y'all let me know in the comments below what y'all use to cream contour. So I'm blending that out, and I'm going to blend out my concealer with the e.l.f. Caramel Sponge. So I'm gonna stop talking for a little bit. I'll be back soon.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile
as you can see, I went in with the Wet n Wild banana setting powder. Now, this is my favorite drugstore setting powder. Like, I can use this all the time. This is how good this is. Like, look how it mattified. I mean, you see how it's just mattifying my face and making it poreless, smooth. Like, this setting powder is the go in. It's slept on. And I put you on, sis, because the Maybelline Fit Me setting powder, it's good. But I like this one better. And so I'm putting that everywhere I highlighted at. And as you can see, the look is starting to come together. Setting powders are so key to flawless makeup. Like, that's not something that I like to play with. So if I say it's bomb, I mean, you can see it's bomb. I don't need to say anything else about it. But in this tutorial today, you are going to learn how to snatch your nose. Yes, I'm going to snatch it with that cream contour. And yes, I know I should have put the cream contour on before I set my face, but I didn't. So we're going to still make it work, blending it out on both sides, making sure it's seamless, starting with the ends first. I don't want any harsh lines, so I'm going to take another brush and further blend this out. I didn't really like this brush. I probably never use it again for this, but I used it today because it was the first thing I grabbed. So after blending that out, I went to set the rest of my face with the full coverage powder. You can use the L'Oreal 24-hour infallible fresh wear powder to complete this step. And as you can see, my makeup is just poreless and it looks like I put a filter on. So I really like this Black Radiance light to medium contour palette. I'm using the darker shade to set my contour on my nose and complete the nose contour, but we're not finished yet. I'm going to go in with the Morphe Glamour Bronze bronzer in the color Phenom. And I'm using my favorite bronzing brush from Morphe. And I'm going to bronze my cheeks and my forehead and my chin. So I'm going to dust off the rest of that setting powder with, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury. This isn't an affordable product, but you don't have to use this product. I use this product. And it's also going to help take away that yellowness that the banana powder gave me. And it's going to help brighten that area up and neutralize it so that it's not so warm, because my contour is kind of warm and the blush is going to make my makeup look really warm, so I don't want to look like red and yellow and like really warm. So I neutralized the under eyes and brightened and made it the skin even more flawless, which you'll be able to see more when we get towards the end. I went in with the Bakerie blush, and this is like a burnt orange, almost red type of color, and I'm blending it out really well. You saw how pigmented it was, so I really like their blushes. It's pigmented, it blends out well. I got it from Target, so I'm blending that out, and I also dabbed slightly, just a tiny bit, on my forehead. And I told you I wasn't done snatching my nose, okay? I wasn't done. I'm about to make it a little bit more snatched. Maybe a lot bit. I don't know. With this Maybelline Superstay in the color 312. I use a powder to define the sides. And I brightened the under eye just a little bit more. So, I've been holding this little small little mirror in my hand the whole time, so I might as well use it to highlight. So I went in on my upper lip. I put some on my nose, but I have to put some on my nose. Like I told y'all, we was snatching my nose, so I had to put it there. And I put just a little bit on my cheekbones. So I'm dusting that powder away because I don't want to let it sit too long. It's full coverage. Like it did its job already. I don't want my makeup to be too cakey with all those powders. And then I use the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. I don't even buy high-end mascara, so you're probably always going to be seeing me use this on my channel. I added some eyeliner off video. I use this Sephora. It's like only $12 though. Eyeliner. I just put a little bit on, and then I'm going to smoke out the bottom with that bronzer that's in my hand. For my lips, yes, it's time that we're almost finished. I use the NYX lip liner in Urban Cafe. This is like their best lip liner. Like, I don't know who put me on, but I've had this lip liner ever since I fell in love with it. So I'm going in with a liquid lipstick that I picked up from CVS. It's from Milani. I actually really like the finish of it. Like, I'll definitely be using this some more. So I had like some eyelash extensions that were still hanging in there. So I put some mascara on the bottom of my lashes. And now I'm going to set my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I think almost everyone knows about this by now. Like, if you don't, I don't know why, sis. I don't know why. I love this stuff. Like, I'm just straightening up my hair, y'all. This is not a hair tutorial. My hair was not really slayed today. This was a makeup tutorial. So, and if you stay to the end, just join the family, sis. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for supporting me. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about it.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me, love, everything about you.